boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have SELIN, Lover's Hurricane. So a dramatic, great song from SELIN or SELIN. I'm not really sure about the pronunciation there. But anyway, great song I came across. So let's cover it together. We have the capo set here on the first fret to have the easiest chords possible for the song. So let's go over the chords like we usually do. So we have first the E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have D next, so that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have next here the C sharp and A together there, so we have it's an A bass there, but with a C sharp in the bass. So what you do here, you can play it with one bar here on the second fret from the D string and down, and then you will just add the fourth fret on the A. That will be the C sharp note there. So that's the A C chord, and then we have the C major 7. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. Go on here with the A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the D but with an F sharp in the bass. So what you do here, you do the bar on the second fret. I do it from the D string and down. You really don't have to, it's just enough with the G and down, but that's just my way of handling it. So bar on second from D string and down, and then the rest will be fourth on D, and that's where you have the F sharp notes, and then the third on B. Alright, so that was the D F chord. So this is a piano based song, and we'll do it in a guitar with the guitar. So in my way, I have this strumming pattern that goes down, 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 up. So I can illustrate it with the E minor since that's the first chord. So one strum around will be. Alright, so down, 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 up. I play the first two downs on the bass strings, and then the last down, down, up, a little bit more on the mid and higher strings down here. Alright, so. Alright, so that's my way of handling the chords and the strumming. So let's take a look at the verse and actually also the pre-chorus, because it's played in the same way. So the chord progression here will be E minor, 2 rounds, then D 2 rounds, then the AC 2 rounds, and the C major 7 2 rounds. The verse is played for 2 rounds and the pre-chorus for 1 round, so in total 3 rounds, and that takes us to the chorus parts. Alright, so you start in the same way with E minor 2 rounds, then D 2 rounds, A minor 2 rounds, and now you have E minor 1 and the D F 1 again. I had to take it 1 extra round because it's that great, this song. So that pretty much covers SELIN's Lover's Hurricane. So thank you for watching, guys. If it was helpful, please let me know. Leave a comment, thumb up, and until next time, play tuned.